Every journey has a story, and today's begins the moment the wheels start turning. Tubeless tires seal small punctures slowly, buying time to reach help safely instead of stopping dead. Insurance protects against disasters you cannot afford, not small costs you can. Here is a thought while we cruise along. Crosswinds shove light bikes suddenly on open bridges, and a relaxed grip absorbs them best. Traffic compresses here, and patience becomes the fastest lane of all. Olive Ridleys nest in synchronized thousands on Odisha's beaches, a spectacle timed by moonlight and mystery. Dark beaches hatch more babies than lit ones. Every Hyderabad landmark we pass carries generations of stories beneath its surface. Knowledge, like riding, improves with practice. See you on the next adventure.